Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Roku remote app to TV. Let's go. Open settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Device Connect. Enable. Control by mobile apps. Default. Open network. About. Check your network. Your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku app. Open Roku app. Select your Roku device. That's it. Now you know how to connect Roku remote app to TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.